Are you ready to land and dream internship at Microsoft? Imagine working on world-class products, shaping the future of technology and learning from some of the best minds in industry. Sounds exciting, right? Well, Microsoft just launched its Product Design Internship 2025, and in this video, I am going to break down everything you need to know about this internship that not only includes the basic details of this internship but also I am going to share you the eligibility criteria, step-by-step application process, and I am going to share you some insider tips that can literally double your chance of getting shortlisted. So stay with me till the end of this video because even if you skip 1 second of this video, you might miss an important information about this opportunity. And before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to BTech and share this video with your friends who are also hunting for these internships. And now let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about why the Microsoft internship is such a big deal. Microsoft is not just a tech company, it's a global leader that builds products which are used by millions of people every single day. Some of their products are Windows, Xbox, Office, Azure, and so much more. But here's the kicker. As an intern at Microsoft, you are not just fetching coffee or doing busy work. You will be working on real world projects. You are going to collaborate with teams across the world, and your work will impact millions of customers and businesses worldwide. And most important thing is Microsoft offers incredible perks such as mentorship from industry experts and networking with global teams and exposure to cutting edge tools, and you can get a pre-placement offer even before you graduate. This is why getting in can set you apart from thousands of other students. Now let's break down what this role actually involves. As a product design intern, you will be focusing on creating amazing user experience, and here's what you will be doing. Firstly, you are going to understand customer needs through research and insight. And second thing is you are going to ideate solutions to improve products. And the third thing is you are going to design end-to-end experiences, balancing creativity with technical constraints. And also, you are going to produce visual designs that go from concept to reality. The most important thing is you are going to contribute to Microsoft design system to keep everything consistent and top notch. And for example, you might work on designing the next big update for Microsoft Teams, or you are going to create a new feature like Xbox interface. Alright, now let's get into the eligibility criteria. Firstly, to get this internship, you should be currently pursuing a bachelor degree in businesses or engineering or technology or any related field, and you should have at least 1 semester left after the completion of internship. But beyond this, Microsoft looks for skills. You should have these skills to get this internship. Firstly, you should have strong problem solving and analytical thinking. And the second thing is you should have strong design knowledge, especially on UI and UX designs. And the third thing is you should have strong communication and teamwork skills. And last and the most important thing is you should have creativity and innovation mindset. And here's a pro tip. If you have done any personal projects like mobile apps, websites or UI markups, make sure to showcase them in your portfolio. This will highlight you from more other students. Now let's walk you through how to apply step by step. Go to the description of our video. You will see the application link. You can directly click on that. Then after you have to create or update your resume, and you just have to submit your application online. You have to fill your basic details and you have to upload your updated resume. Then submit your application and check your mail thoroughly. HR will review your application. If you get shortlisted there, then comes the interview round. Usually it includes portfolio review plus design challenge. You will be asked on behavioral questions. And if you ace the interview, you will receive the offer letter. Now let me share you some few secret tips that can instantly boost your resume. Firstly, start with a strong headline like aspiring product designer or UI or UX enthusiast. Include relevant projects like apps, websites or designs you have worked on, and highlights skills like Figma, Adobe XD or wireframing or prototyping. And keep it simple and clear because Microsoft often loves clean and clear even in your resume. And let me tell you some common mistakes to avoid. Firstly, submitting a generic resume with no design relevance. And the second thing is ignoring the portfolio. Microsoft cares about practical work, so make sure you have portfolio. And the third thing is missing the deadlines. Always apply as early as possible. And the fourth thing is not preparing for interviews. Research on Microsoft products before you go in. Alright, let's wrap up this video with some final tips. Firstly, apply early and double check your application and build a portfolio that shows your skills. And the third thing is practice design thinking and interview questions. And the fourth thing is stay confident. Microsoft looks for passionate learners, not only perfect designers. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Beyond BTech and share this video with your friends. And before you end up, go through the homepage of our channel. You will see gold mine of opportunities. Go through every video and apply to the every opportunity eligible. And don't forget to share this channel with your friends so more students get benefited. And see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.